Hello guys, first thing first, I will thank you guys for clicking this video. And if you watched my recent video, I actually bought a bunch of budgeted challenger items from the store. And the main point of the video is to find out between these two, the $2 micro USB cable and the $10 micro USB cable, and which one is much more worth it, and does the price really matters? Let's find out. Okay, now let's start with Mazer, not Razer, Mazer. Now if you can see for the front and the back, you know, the packaging is quite nice. Now let's see the front. There's the reversible micro USB connector. For something that is micro USB is quite, you know, it's good. And 3.1 amp ultra charging. Usually some of the box will say fast charging, but this one says ultra charging. Well, let's see later on. Okay, now let's see what's on the back. There's the main feature, micro USB reversible. It says over here that it's gold plated. Like, okay, now it's, at the back it says 3.1 amp super fast charging, bulletproof fiber wire, 10 times tougher. Now at the sides, premium materials with premium craftsmanship. Well, let's open up. There's the bulletproof core, durable fiber inside, the extra strength, blah blah blah, gold plated, long lasting, oxygen free. Oxygen free. Better charging, oxygen free. I don't know what it means. I don't know what that means. Well, strong build. Well, Mazer built strong woven nylon cable, not just blah 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 blah. Okay, let's start opening things up. Damn, I wish I have something to open this thing up with. Okay, it's tougher than it looks. Please don't judge me. Now let's pull this thing off. Empty. Very strong. Look, this game is bloody strong. Not only the cable. Wait, this is a 20 cm. This is a 20 cm cable. But to be honest, I expect to be much more longer for 20 cm. I mean, where you can see here, the gold plated. Looks really nice over here. If you look closer, it's quite nice. And the double sided is the closest thing you can get to my USB Type C. But USB Type C is much more better, of course. Now the next item we're gonna check is the $2 micro USB cable. Okay, now next item on the list is the $2 micro USB cable. Nothing much over here. Longer. Nothing special about it. Just, you know, rubber coated micro USB cable. Yeah, that's it. Alright, as you can see from here, we're gonna start with the $2 charging cable. Let's begin. Okay, I'm going to set up this thing, the timer for 5 minutes, and let's plug it in. Is it even on? Oh, it's recording. Let's plug it in. Pop. Start. Alright, it's been 5 minutes, and what do we have here? Exactly 5%. What is it? 5%. Alright, the next one will be the competitor, the $10 micro USB cable. Alright, let's change. Oh shit. Not long enough. Alright, you can see over there, it's 1%. Exactly 1% again. And the cable is too short. Seems like I have to charge the phone from this angle. I mean, I have to leave that phone there to actually charge, and I can't do anything about it. Seems like for reliability, it has failed its test. Now let's start by plugging this thing in. If it can be it's tougher to actually put it inside. And let's begin. 5 minutes. It's been more than 5 minutes, and here's the result. Only 3%. So guess just seeing what happened just now. So the $10 charging cable actually lost with the $2 charging cable, and the $10 charging cable actually charged my phone 3% in 5 minutes, or the $2 charging cable charged my phone 5% within 5 minutes, which is quite surprising since this thing is shorter current distance. In conclusion, and the winner is the $2 charging cable. Get out from here. So that's all I have for today. If you guys have any comments, leave a comment down below. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. Thank you and bye bye.